What you are seeing right here is not a regular chatbot. It is a retrieval augmented generation system. Get don't get confused. I'm going to explain to you what this actually means. Okay, but it's in simple terms we call it RAG. You understand? We call it RAG. That's retrieval augmented generation system. So what is the essence of this RAG? I'm going to show you what I have on my screen here and how this is going to benefit you, your business, or whatever you do. Or if you're someone who is interested in building stuff like this, I'm going to show you what this actually means, because this is like the next big thing in AI. So the RAG system, right? I don't want to go deeper into large language models and how they work. I just want to let you understand RAG. Okay. So basically, what we know about AI or large language models is that they are trained, but then every large language model have a cutoff point. Okay, there's a point where they don't know. Let me use this as an example. For example, let's take the judge, right? The judge is very good with law. They can quote the law for you like how they quote the Bible, but then there are certain instances where they have to get facts, you understand, from archives. They have to get like how past cases went, so that they can look onto those cases and try to judge the new cases. And with that one, they need real facts, you understand, and it might not necessarily be in their memory. So what they have to do is to send the court clerks, and they have to go and fetch for that information. So the data that they've been able to store for all this while, they putting together all these information in one database. It becomes a RAG system. A retrieval augmented gen is basically like an advanced version of a knowledge base. Okay, so I'm going to like take you through what I have here. Okay, mostly you can build a RAG system with anything, any platform at all. You can build a RAG system, use Pinecone, Supabase. You can use all these platforms, but then I have built this and made it like giving you a user friendly. So if I build this for you, if I build this for your company or your brand, I give you a user friendly interface where you can just go there, fish for the information, but the whole back end has been well engineered, and you don't have to worry about that. So this is a RAG system. So that's basically how a RAG system is. You have all your information in one database. And then so this one in the judge scenario, instead of the court clerk just going to dig into thousands of files, he can just ask a large language model, and that large language model is going to do the digging. And the interesting part is that large language models can do it within a second. You understand? So it breaks it into chunks, is vectorized.